So good afternoon, everyone, and welcome back to the second day of Vedic Mathematics workshop. So, very first thing, a heartfelt gratitude to all of you to join again. So, again, you should applaud yourself as you have taken the next step towards learning of Vedic mathematics. Now, the first thing, let's start with the doubts first before we move ahead and let everybody join. Yes, Sneha, any doubts, any questions you have? Sumit, Akhila, anyone? See, you have to ask your questions. Nobody will be asking your questions. So, in the meantime, everybody will join. I have not received much homework. Very few of you have submitted.
I have submitted half, sir.
Half you have submitted. Okay. Great.
Yes, sir.
So, any doubts you have?
I cleared my doubts. Thank you so much.
Okay.
After your recording, I went through and I got my mistake.
Okay. No issues. Yes, Yam Sharma. Yes, Dil Chetri. Because so, but confusion with multiplication by triple one. So that is the. So I think only Sumit has done the homework. Rest all have not done. Now why I'm saying this? Because yesterday we didn't touch this topic and I gave you the homework. Got it? No issues. Let's connect for that first. So yesterday I wanted you to understand and I wanted to see whether you're doing the homework or not. So that was the reason I left that way. Now, I'll give you two questions. First is 1, 2, 3 into double 1. This you already know now. 1 is 1, 2, 3 into triple 1. Now, what is the difference? See, the difference, very important thing was yesterday nobody asked me why we are adding two digits at one time. Why not three? So yesterday what we were doing was 1, then 1 plus 2, then 2 plus 3, and then 3. Or in vertical format, I could write 1, 1 and 2, 2 and 3, and 3. Why? The reason behind why we were adding 2 is we had 2 ones. But now, when we are moving for 3 ones, what difference will come is 1 first. Then 1 plus 2, same. See, here the answer was 1, 3, 5, 3. Here, now what after 2? Now we have 3 ones. So that means we can add one more number. So 1 plus 2 plus 3. So that becomes 1, 3, 6. What after that? Once you reach the maximum 1, first is 1, 1 and 2, 1, 2, 3. You reach the maximum. What after that? Again start reducing from the left hand side. So 2 and 3 and last 3. 2 and 3 and last 3. So the difference is there's 6. In the first case, the answer was 1353, but now the answer becomes 13653. Did you understand this? So two of you asked this question. Yes, Sumit, I'll answer that also. 132. Yes, Sumit, Chetri, is it clear now? Now, this does not stop at triple one only. See, you can move further also. I'll give one more example of triple one first. So first 1, then 1 and 2 combination, then 1 and 2 and 3. What after this? Now this is the maximum you can have 3 digits together. So shift 2, 3 and 4. Then 3, 4 and last 4. So depending on the number of ones, your pattern will be there. If you have 2 ones, that means you'll combine 2 digits at one number. And if you have more than that, same way. So let's try this number now. 4, 3, 5. Okay, not 5. 2, 7. It's not 7, then you'll have a carryover. Yes, Akhila, are you getting this? 4, 3, 2, 4. Dil Bahadur Chetri.
So 47964.
4, 7, 9,
964.
Perfect. See, first is 4. Then 4 and 3 will make 7. Then 4, 3, 2 will make 9. And then 3, 2. Now 3, 2, 4. Again 9. 2, 4, 6. And then 4. Got it now?
Yes, sir.
4, 7, 9, and 6, 4. So you need to be careful in that. Every digit has to be taken into account. We don't have to miss anything. Yes, Sunil, now is it clear or not? You have to answer also. Then only you will get a clear picture. Yes, Sumit? Shoaib, did you do the homework? शोएब होमवर्क किया था उस्ताद? Need little more practice. Sumit, see, maths is practice, but at the same time, alertness. The same question can be done with number of methods. Now, what is Vedic maths? Vedic maths is, first is, it is a transformation. Just hold on. Hello? Hello? So, hello? हाँ जी मैम. मैम सारे ज्वाइन कर चुके हैं, आप ज्वाइन कीजिए ना. जी बिल्कुल, आपको उस पे तभी तो आपको भेजा था, उस पर सुबह से भेजा हुआ है, मैं दोबारा भेजता हूँ. इंग्लिश आप just give me 1 second because some of them have not joined. Sorry. Yes. So now is it clear? Is it clear now? All those who
Yes,
raised
sir.
this question? Okay. So yes, whosoever joined late, Raghav, Narad, Utsav, anyone who has any doubt in the homework given yesterday?
No.
No homework.
No.
Okay. People are finding difficult to join today. Why? I think some are pending. In the meantime, we'll do more questions. Anyone has any doubts? Yes, Yogesh. Did you try with the homework? Akhila, any questions you have now? So similarly, let's say if it was 4, 5, 6, 7 into 111, or later on it is, let's say, so first I'll tell you. So again, 4 plus 5, and the third would be all these three, 4, 5 plus 6. Then, since we can accommodate or we can combine only 3 digits at one time, so there would be a shift from left to right, and that will become 5 plus 6 plus 7. Yes, it is not possible with 111. Sometimes you will not be able to calculate mentally as you were doing in 11. But still, if you take it in other way, you'll be faster than your conventional mathematics. And the last would be 6 plus 7 and 7. Now, is it clear now? One last, I'm taking 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 into, let's say now it is 4 times 1. First, I'll take only 4 digits. So 4 digits means now 4 1 stand for I can add 4 digits together. First remains the same, 1. Second, 1 plus 2 only. Third, 1 plus 2 plus 3. And the fourth was 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4. Now you start decreasing. So that becomes 2 plus 3 plus 4 and 3 plus 4 and the last 4. So you don't try to understand the pattern will remain same. कहीं भी चले जाएं 111 हो जाए 222 हो जाए 333 हो जाए 444 हो जाए 555 हो जाए, pattern change नहीं होगा. So you have to understand the pattern, not cram the answers or cram the only the sys. So it will be totally different. Yes, Mr. Bhushal, have you tried with the homework? Nisha, homework?
Yes.
But you have not submitted. So any doubts you have? Yes, any doubts you have?
Just I open, I do not know the new password.
Which password, sir? निशा, कोई डाउट होमवर्क में?
हेलो,
हाँ जी,
हेलो, हाँ जी सर, गुड आफ्टरनून सर।
वो क्या था?
नो सर, कोई डाउट नहीं है।
111 से किया था?
नहीं सर, अभी किया ही नहीं है सर।
यही देखा, पकड़ी जाती है। इसीलिए मैंने होमवर्क में एक चीज ऐसी दी थी जो पता चल जाए। yesterday I asked सबसे सिंपल क्वेश्चन सबसे पूछा था। हम लोग प्लान करते हैं एवरी टाइम, विल डू दिस, विल डू दैट, एंड लेटर ऑन पोस्टपोन। व्हाट फॉर? So that is what you need to understand. Okay, no issues. So let's start with the today's work. If any doubt is still there, you can ask me now. Otherwise, we are moving ahead. So our warm welcome and a gratitude कि you have going for the next step towards learning of Vedic mathematics. Please homework करेंगे तभी समझ आएगा. Otherwise, it will be just a magic and would be evaporated very soon. So what are the opportunities? Why we need to learn Vedic mathematics? Yesterday, we learned the academic part. Academic part was Vedic maths makes the calculations easy, simple, faster, 10 to 15 times faster. That was one major reason why we need Vedic maths, because today it is a competitive world. आपने एक कॉलेज में एडमिशन लेना है, एक स्कूल में एडमिशन लेना है, इवन क्लास 1, you have to crack the exam. हर एग्जाम में मैथ्स का पेपर होता है, and every exam is based on time. 100 questions to be solved in 120 minutes. So वो कैसे होगा? That is with the speed, and for that you need Vedic mathematics. So that was the academic part. Second was burden removal. जो हमारे मन में एक डर था tables का, that can be removed easily with Vedic mathematics, and that was the reason हम अभी भी कोई, if somebody asks us tables, we just try to skip that word. We try to skip from that place. और वही हमारे जीन्स में आगे बच्चों में आ गया है. They also try कि किसी तरह 40 मिनट की क्लास स्कूल में निकल जाए और उसके बाद होमवर्क कैलकुलेटर से करके सबमिट कर दें. So what is this going on? Okay, एक सिंपल सा क्वेश्चन सभी के लिए. कितने फोन नंबर्स याद है आपको? निशा,
तो हस्बैंड का याद है बस
एक नंबर. शिल्पा, how
एक
many
नंबर.
phone numbers do you remember?
Yes, sir. Same thing. 2 or 3.
शिला, आपका वॉल्यूम बंद है.
6 numbers.
6 numbers. You remember also? Yes, Mr. Bhushal, how many phone numbers do you remember? Chandra sir, how many phone numbers do you remember? It's not from yesterday's workshop, a new question. How many phone numbers do you remember? Yeah, this is not acceptable. अगर आप जवाब नहीं देना चाहते तो कोई कुछ भी benefit नहीं होगा. There's no use of joining. I'm very clear in this. Director sir, if you're not there, let's leave it. Yes, Yam. Yes, Yam. How many phone numbers do you remember?
Many more numbers I remember. Many, more than 50.
Now, the point is, why I'm asking this question? The reason is, निशा, जब आपके पास मोबाइल फोन नहीं था, उस टाइम कितने याद थे? जब टेलीफोन हुआ करते थे, तब कितने याद थे? अखिला मैम,
बहुत याद थे उस समय.
उस समय क्या याद थे और आज नहीं याद?
आज नहीं याद.
क्या हमारा दिमाग डाउनग्रेड हो गया है?
सर फैसिलिटीज की वजह से.
That means we have programmed ourselves that everything is stored in our mobile. हम याद करते ही नहीं. Correct?
Yeah, yes.
So same is the case with the students. Why should they remember mathematics? Why should they remember their tables? Why should they do calculations? Because they know they have mobile in their hands. वो उससे कैलकुलेट कर देते हैं. बट एग्जाम में कहाँ प्रॉब्लम आएगी? एग्जाम में कौन हेल्प करेगा? क्या एग्जाम में कैलकुलेटर अलाउड होगा? That is the reason why our mental level is going down. That is the reason why we are not able to calculate anything mentally, because we know everything is stored in our mobiles. Right. Now, so that was the reason, academic reasons yesterday we discussed about why Vedic mathematics. Today we'll focus more on opportunities. Why should we do now? ऐसी क्या जरूरत पड़ गई कि आज वैदिक मैथ्स करना है? Now here I'll divide into two parts. First thing is India. Now for India it is do or die situation. If you are a mathematics teacher, either you do or some other person will take your position. Because Vedic maths has been introduced as per our national education policy. So it is your compulsion. You have to update yourself. Otherwise, the same thing will happen. आपको वो टेबल्स के पुराने तरीके से रटा रहे होंगे क्लास में और बच्चा कहेगा मैम this is what I know. If students will have more knowledge than you, so you'll not be able to stand in that position the same way. इसका बहुत बड़ा example I can give you. If you before Corona, we used to have offline classes. ठीक है? PTM में जो टीचर ने बोला, टीचर if says कि yes बच्चा पढ़ नहीं रहा या बच्चा शरारत करता है, जो भी बोलते थे, पेरेंट्स उसको एक्सेप्ट करते थे और वहीं डांट लगाना शुरू कर देते थे बच्चे को. बट आज की डेट में अगर इफ यू टॉक अबाउट टुडे पोस्ट कोरोना, द डिफरेंस इज अगर आज टीचर ये बोलता है बच्चा क्लास में नहीं पढ़ रहा तो पेरेंट्स के पास भी जवाब है, वी नो हाउ यू टीच. हमने आपके वीडियोस देखे हैं और कंपेयर किए हैं XYZ से, उस टीचर से जो चाहे उस शहर का है या नहीं. So please understand, now every student has accessibility. You have to be best. If you want to be in the market, you have to be updated. So there are two things required. One is content and one is delivery. Content, you can get it from the market. आप वीडियोस उठा लीजिए यूट्यूब से, कोरा से, कहीं से भी ले लीजिए, वीडियोस ले लीजिए, कंटेंट ले लीजिए, बट बोलना तो आपको है. And that was the opportunity I was giving you to ask the questions. So if you will not ask questions today, आपके बच्चे ऐसा नहीं करेंगे. आप फर्स्ट क्लास स्टार्ट कीजिए, there would be thousands of questions coming back to you. और छोटे बच्चे बहुत पूछेंगे. So please, again I am requesting you, जो डाउट मन में आ रहा है, you just clear it out. Correct? So this is for everyone. Maths is always treated as a pain, as a havoc, as a stress. Not only in India, everywhere. You talk about any country, any school, any institution, any college, any university, maths means dar. So for that, Vedic mathematics is a necessity. So you can start these classes right from your home. So that is a business opportunity because online education is spreading in each and every village also. So that is the first opportunity you can take. If you are financially sound, you can start with the training institutions. So many training institutions, you might have seen Abacus, Vedic Mathematics, Calligraphy. So after school activities, you can name and you can start with it. So that is the biggest opportunity in the decade. इस time, इससे बड़ी opportunity आपको नहीं मिल सकती. और learning Vedic maths is as simple as ABC. Only आपको सिर्फ ये सोचना है कि मुझे करना है. जिस दिन ये आप सोच लेंगे कि मुझे करना है, उसी दिन ये हो जाएगा. Home tuitions, people are moving. If you say Yesterday only, I'll not give the numbers of India, 88 inquiries I received from Nepal itself. So yesterday while doing the session, इस time भी inquiries are coming. So see how many people are desperate because हर एक को अपना बच्चा प्यारा है, हर एक को लगता है कि yes, my child is not able to understand maths. So they are looking for a solution, and you all are going to be doctors for that child. मैथ्स एक बीमारी की तरह बनती जा रही है, ये डर बहुत तंग करता है, और वो डर कहां तक जाता है, यस्टरडे भी हमने डिस्कस किया कि लास्ट में एमबीए तक नहीं बच्चा कर पाता. So these are the 3 opportunities जो आप as a freelancer कर सकते हैं. You can start from your home, you can start an institution, you can start taking home tuitions. But if as a job opportunity, if you are thinking about, so yes, there are so many schools, both in India and Nepal. Right now, only one person is from Dubai. So other India, Nepal, yes, there are opportunities. I have so many schools who are looking for Vedic math trainers in both India and Nepal. So that is a biggest opportunity if you can guide. But only one thing is required. It's not cramming. It's not cramming like mathematics. It is an experience. It is a life-changing process. So you need to understand everything first. So if you are ready to accept that, then only you'll be able to deliver the same. Correct? And if you are already running some educational institutions, there are so many people over here who are already running competitive academies. They have already told me they are tutors. So this can be added as an additional component in your existing profession and could be a good source of income. So please understand, yesterday we discussed about academic requirement, why academically we need Vedic maths, and today business-wise, how much important this is, right? And this workshop, yesterday and today, even yesterday's content was sufficient for class 3rd, 4th, 5th. You can teach them for at least 8 days. And today's content would be for the class 8th and 9th. At least they have this content, square roots, squares and cubes. So that is sufficient for at least 4 or 5 classes of them. So if you start teaching them also, you will gain confidence and move further, right? So homework I have already asked. Still, if any one of you have any doubt, you can ask me. And if you are looking forward towards business, so today, please understand, today's business is only online. Even if you get offline inquiries, that also you'll be getting more through online. So please, all those who say, I don't use Facebook, I don't use Twitter, I don't use, you have to do it. If you don't want to waste your money in promotion, in advertisements, you need to go with social media. That are the cheapest mode of advertisement. I'll just give you a simple, I have mobile in my hand and I'll give you the stat. So I advertised one, I posted one advertisement 3 days back in Nepal. 85 rupees a day. And I got more than 25 inquiries per day. So that means only 3 rupees an inquiry. Can you think to get such a response, even if you are spending thousands in pamphlets, in newspaper advertisements? I don't know about others, but yes, if you want to understand this practically, in 2001, I had a budget of 8 lakhs for only one institution in Haryana. And today, all institutions, if I include also, that doesn't go more than 8,000 a month, because Facebook is such cheap media and you reach to more people, right? So that we can discuss if now just listen to him. I think voice is a bit down. I'll explain. He's Mr. Syed Hussain from Nigeria, South Africa. So he's also a mathematics teacher. Now what happened? He learned Vedic mathematics during Corona time. If you see the date, it's March 21. Now he did not get increase in the salary. Let it be very clear. His school did not increase the salary, but yes, the support he got from the students, he got after school classes, and more than that was respect. If you are able to give something better to the students, they'll always respect you. And I think I need not to explain you this thing to you. आप सबको पता है कितने लोग को हम अपना आदर्श मानते हैं, गुरु मानते हैं, क्योंकि उन्होंने इतना अच्छा पढ़ाया है. तो वही मैथ्स जिससे बच्चों को डर लगता है, अगर वो डर आपने भगा दिया और आप उसको बेहतर एग्जाम्पल्स के साथ, एक नए तरीकों के साथ solutions देंगे, so definitely they will follow you. So it's not always financially, it is mentally also, morally also, humanitarianly also. आप देखेंगे followers बढ़ते चले जाएंगे, people will start following you. A very big example is Quora. मैंने बहुत पुराना start नहीं किया, Vedic Maths I started only 3 years back. And from past 3 years, I am the most viewed writer in the world on this topic. Karan, I am supporting people, I am helping them to more ways. Again, she's a girl of 10th standard from Assam. She also did. She's the first trainer of 9th when she was in 9th standard. So she's now international trainer. So what happened? He's training students of class 9th, 10th. So juniors also, seniors also. Please just understand. If a person from South Africa, for whom we don't have any common culture, they can learn and become popular, why not we? We are living together. Nepal and India, we both share the common culture, both geographically also and culturally also. Recently I submitted one paper presentation was there in Tribhuvan University. I submitted a paper. What is the need? Why Vedic Maths is a need of R in Nepal also. And India, you all now agree that it is not a need, it is a do or die situation. So if they can do, who is so far away, a student of 9th class, you all are teachers, why cannot you? Yes, do you think you can do?
Yes, sir.
Yes, Sumit, can we all do this? Yes, Akila? No response. Priyanka?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Definitely, sir, we can
Start
do.
with the mind exercises, and the first topic, so take out your paper and pen. First topic would be finding squares of numbers. Now, very first thing, what is a square? Yes, what is a square? Kausar ma'am, you're too late. Around
Yes,
30
sir. That's what I'm typing. Sir. Actually Sunday, no, sir. We have lots to do on Sundays. Sir, we'll be getting the recording, no? Hello?
Yes. Am I audible?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
I said you are 30 minutes late.
Yes, sir. Very late. 35 minutes late. That's what we'll be getting on recording, no, sir?
The recordings are freely available, not even my recording. Every bit and byte of anything that exists in this world that is available on YouTube. So
No, but today's class I'm asking, sir. Today's class.
So did we all become that much learners? See, live means you have your queries, you have your questions. That is the reason I take live sessions. Otherwise, Recordings are always available everywhere. Okay, no issues. So yes, sir, did you try with the homework? No. Nabin, again you are late. Okay. So what is the scale? Yes, anyone? How do we find a square of a number? So don't.
By multiplying the number with itself.
Perfect. So if we have to multiply a number by itself, that is a square of a number. So it is represented by n square. N is a number, and what do? N into n. Very simple. If it is 1 square, it is 1 into 1, that gives 1. If it is 2 square,
4.
2 into 2, that is 4. Correct?
Correct.
Any doubt in this?
No doubt.
Okay. So please, I'll share this screen first. Write down this table. This is very important. Are you able to see the screen? Is the screen?
Yes, yes.
Please
Yes,
write
sir.
down this so that we can move further. Yes, somebody said no.
We know this, sir.
You have to copy because everything will depend on this.
No, we learned it when we were small.
But you missed something that I'll tell you today.
Okay.
We missed so much in this. You know, this is not only for finding squares, and this is not only for 10 digits. It is for any number further, any bigger number further. Correct. So that we have to be fast today. Okay. So written?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Perfect. Perfect. So now see. Suppose we are asked to find a number, a bigger number. Let's say 24. Now, what do we have a procedure? We multiply 24 and 24. It goes 6. I go 1 here. 4 to the 8, 9. Correct? And then 0, 2 for the 8, and 2 to 4. 5, 7, 6. This is how we do. Yes, anyone has any different way? Anyone has a different way? Sayyid, Shoaib, sorry, Sumit, Yogesh.
No, sir.
Yes, sir. By multiplying 24 into 24 into one step.
Multiplication, that's what I'm saying. Multiplying 24 into 24. Now see how we do it in Vedic maths. In Vedic maths, now we treat these numbers as different digits. Now this is your A, the first digit. This is your B. Or you can say this like AB square. Do you remember your formula? What is A plus B whole square?
A square plus B square plus 2AB.
Plus 2AB.
2AB.
But what happens if we'll do by that way? It becomes, in that case, we used to do like this sometimes. So 400 plus 4 square is 16 plus 4 into 2, 80, and so 160. Correct? And that becomes 576. That was how we used to do with the formula also. This is one way which everybody knows. This sometimes teacher teaches you. Now, but what is the difference between? I'll show you how we are doing will be different over here.
So how did you get 160?
2 into AB.
2 into
Acha, 2AB. Yes, yes. Oh, yeah, applying the formula to this. Oh,
So this is your conventional maths. Now we'll be doing differently. Now see how we do. A square, balancing line 2AB, balancing line B square. Now what? There you took A as 20 because 2 was at 10th position, and that was the reason you took 20. But here A means only 2. So 4, 2AB, 4 into 2 is 8, 8 into 2 is 16. And B square is again 16. Just balance it. 6, 7, 5. You understand the difference? What, see, conventional, we were making the number bigger. But here it is being reduced and the calculations become more simple. Why? Because you're not taking here 2, you're taking 20 over here. So 20 means result is also 400. Here 2 we are taking, though it is at the third position, that means it represents 400 only. But in actual, when you have something small, you are able to calculate easily. That's how your mind works. Did you understand? I'll give you one more simple method. 24 square. Let's do like this first. First, find the square of first digit. What is that?
4.
4. Just write down here. But try to write in 2 digits. 0, 4. What is the square of second number? 16.
16.
This is your first step. Step 1 finished. Second, all the 3 numbers. 2, 4, 2. Multiply. Again, the same thing. 2AB. Don't
16.
write anything at the first unit place. So 4 to the 8 to the 16. Write down and add. This becomes 576. So this is for those, a class 3rd student, 4th student, who does not think also ki we can do scaring so fast. Or people who are going for entrance examination, they don't need any sutras, they don't need any big formulas. For them, this is a simplest trick. Take both the numbers. First number, find the square. Second number, find the square. Write down combining. At second side, omit the unit place and write, multiply the 3 numbers visible to you. One more example first I'll give, then you can move further. You can write down it. You have not written, so that I'll change the screen. $64. Oh, 76 here. So 7 means 49. We are now making use of that table, ma'am. See, we know the table, but we never use that table. But here we'll use that table only, because we'll be using only those 9, 10 digits. 7 square is 49, 6 square is 36. This is step 1 complete. Second, 7 into 6, 42 into 2, 84. Add it. 7, 7, 5. Finish. Yes, now is it clear or not?
Yes, sir.
Anyone has a doubt, please ask. Because we'll be going for bigger numbers. One, 2. 87. Here. So again, 64. 64. 7 square is 49.
Yes.
And the first step completed. Second step, 8 into 7 is 56. Into 2 is 112. 112. Add. 9, 6, 5, 7. Finish. So see, that. Now what happened actually, we learned place values in mathematics, but we never used that. And if we take use of place values, it was nothing. The balancing lines are nothing but place value application only. And if you understand the balancing lines, more than 80% of Vedic maths is done. More than 50% of your mathematics or even 90% of arithmetics can be done with just balancing lines. Is it done? Okay,
Yes,
give
sir.
this answer. 46 here. Please give me the answer. Let's see who all can solve it. So only Shoaib, Priyanka, only 2 people are solving. You can send on the chat if you cannot speak.
2116.
Sorry?
2116.
2116.
Yes, everybody got it? So
Yes.
all those who didn't get it, so 16, 36, and 4, 6, 24 means 2116. Clear? 75 scale.
5625.
5625 for this. Utsav, I'll teach you this method.
5625.
Yes, I'll teach you this method now after some time, 5 minutes. You should not
Yes,
take,
sir.
you'll take only 1 second to answer such questions. Only 1 second.
Great, sir.
You might be knowing, but I'll give you the reason behind that, why it is there. Okay. 21 scale.
441. It's 421.
421 is correct. But here, I think some people made a mistake. Let me tell why. See, initially only I told you write the answer in 2 digits. So that was the reason 04 I was saying. And here also it will not be 1 itself, it would be 01. Because if you write 4 and 1, then the answer is 81.
Mhm.
Got it? So you have to write, because when you multiply 2 numbers, the result is always to be written in 2 digits. Here it will not impact because this is on the right hand side, but here this will have an impact. So 4, 4, 1. Yes, Akhila, you made this mistake now?
Yes, sir.
No issues. So whenever the answer is in single digit, please add 0 to this. One more. 43.
1849.
49.
Okay.
1849.
Okay.
Sir, repeat this sum, sir, one time.
Which one, ma'am?
43,
43.
One.
What is the square of 4?
16,
What is the square of 3?
9,
0,
09.
09.
0, 9. Yeah, because single digit, no. So 0 to be added.
Okay.
Yeah.
So 4 into 3 is
What's that?
4 into 3?
4 into
12.
12
12,
into 2?
24.
24.
24. 1, 4, 9. Not clear?
Yeah. My right, yes.
Okay, no issue. Seventeen here.
49,
5229.
5029.
5929.
Yes, others?
9.
5929.
No, it's
5929.
29.
Okay.
599.
So 49. 49. 7 sevens are 49. 49 into 2 is 98.
8.
8,
2, 9, 5. Got it?
5929.
Any doubt?
No doubt.
Okay.
Right.
So, but there would be much simpler method than this also. I'll give you. Don't worry. 99 here.
Eight, 9, 2, 1. 99.
Come again.
801.
9801.
981.
9.
You all took
Zero.
around 30 seconds to solve this, correct? Minimum. So we'll solve this question in just 2 seconds. I'll tell you one more technique. See, that is Vedic maths. Please understand what is Vedic maths. Vedic maths is a journey of transformation from fear of maths to confidence. This is the first thing you'll be gaining. Yesterday also you observed that you were going faster than the calculator, and somewhere you got that confidence. Yes, I can do. So second thing is the feeling of yes, I can. Just think about it. If you have the guts ki yes, I can do something, can anyone stop you? अगर आपके मन में आ जाए मैं कर सकता हूं, तो क्या कोई आपको रोक सकता है?
No.
That is the thing. So please try to generate that feeling in the students. अगर बच्चे में ये मन में आ जाए I can do maths, क्योंकि मैथ से ही डर रहा है. देखिए डर उसके हटाइए क्लास में से. कहां कहां डर है? जब डर के आगे ही जीत है. वो एड ऐसे नहीं बन गई. Yesterday also I gave you the example. Fear. Face everything and rise above. या forget everything and run away. भाग लो भी दो चीजें होती हैं, या तो पार्टिसिपेट करो या रन अवे फ्रॉम द फील्ड. तो नाउ सो मैथ्स में भाग लो वाला वर्ड कहां आता है? लोग भाग जाते हैं, स्किप करते हैं. आई विल शो यू वेयर यू लूज योर करियर व्हेन यू स्किप फ्रॉम मैथमेटिक्स. मैथ्स इंडिया की बात पहले बताता हूं, क्योंकि आई एम मोर नोइंग अबाउट दैट कल्चर. 9th 10th में बच्चा वीक होता है मैथ्स में, तो 11th में पेरेंट्स पे दबाव डाल के, या पेरेंट्स दबाव डाल के, टीचर दबाव डाल के उसको 11th में मैथ्स लेके ही नहीं देते.
No maths.
आर्ट्स में भेज देते हैं. क्या वो बच्चा, आपने ये कैसे जज कर लिया 10th में ही कि वो बच्चा कभी पढ़ाएगा ही नहीं? अगर वो बच्चा अच्छा कर गया बीए में, मास्टर्स में, एंड ही वांट्स टू गो फॉर एमबीए. आई एम जस्ट गिविंग वन एग्जांपल ऑफ एमबीए. देयर आर सो मेनी एग्जांपल्स. सो क्या वो बच्चा एमबीए कर पाएगा? तब नहीं, क्योंकि आपने उसका करियर खत्म कर दिया मैथ्स हटा के. वो बिना मैथ्स के क्लैट का एग्जाम ही नहीं दे पाएगा, क्योंकि उसको डर सता रहा है कि मैथ्स तो मुझसे छुड़वाया गया था, क्योंकि आपने उसके मन में भर दिया तू नहीं कर सकता. यू कैनॉट डू. So there is nothing they cannot do. I gave you example of 2 years child yesterday. So बच्चा कुछ भी कर सकता है. The only thing is जब बच्चा नहीं कर पा रहा, तो एज अ टीचर नहीं सोचो, एज अ पेरेंट या एज अ मेंटर सोचिए कि इसका मतलब कि हमारे में कमी आ रही है. वी आर नॉट एबल टू टीच देम, वी आर नॉट एबल टू मेक देम अंडरस्टैंड. थर्ड, so ये सेकंड फीलिंग है, द फीलिंग आई विल. एंड द वैदिक मैथ्स के जो थर्ड इंपॉर्टेंट पॉइंट है, दैट इज इट गिव्स यू एबिलिटी टू थिंक. मैं अभी आपको एक ही क्वेश्चन 3 तरीके से सिर्फ स्केयरिंग का करके दिखाऊंगा. एंड
Sir, one doubt. Sorry to interrupt. Just sir, how we can do using first method this same question 99 square?
फर्स्ट वाला
Like a square 2ab and b square.
आप कन्वेंशनल का पूछ रहे हैं, वैदिक मैथ से पूछ रहे हैं?
No, same. Vedic maths. First method a square 2ab and b square.
Coming there. So one thing, third was ability to think. Just let me come. I'll come. Now, ability to think means the same question you can do with number of techniques. अभी क्या हो रहा है, आप मैथ्स में उसे रट्टा लगवा रहे हैं. मैं ये 99 और 999 का ही एग्जांपल आपको दूंगा और उसके 5 मेथड्स बताऊंगा. हाउ यू कैन सॉल्व विद 5 मेथड्स. नाउ कमिंग बैक. यस शिल्पा. So 99 square first is 81. 81 first goes down. 9 plus 9, 9 into 9, 81 into 2, 162. 1, 0, 8, 9. Clear? This is one thing. Now, using the formula, I told you a square, 2ab and b square. A कितना है? 9. So 9 square is again 81. 2ab is
162.
2 and 81. Correct. So ये हो गया 170. 170 means 0. 17 goes further. So 98. Got it?
No, sir, how we add then? 1, 6 and 1. There are 3 digits.
So what, ma'am? You have to keep only one digit, na?
Yeah.
So okay. I got you.
Okay. Other 2 digits we have to add. Okay.
Let me. So first is 81. Second is 162. Third is 81. Perfect.
Okay.
I'll keep only one digit, na? Yesterday I told you only
Yeah.
1 person, 1
Yes.
chair. So this.
Yeah, that is clear.
What is the total?
10.
How 10?
No, 8 plus 2 is 10, na, sir?
It's adding to 2. आप उसमें से कैसे वो उठा रहे हैं? Why not it is 170?
Okay. Okay.
What, sir? What?
Okay.
0. And 17 is moved further. So that is 96.
Okay.
Sir, repeat,
Oh.
sir, repeat.
Okay,
I
sir.
didn't get this 170. How did you get it?
162 plus 8 कितना होता है?
170 होता है.
तो 3 digit
अच्छा,
बीच में.
that was a single digit. Oh, sorry. Correct.
क्या हमने तो सिंगल ही रखना है ना? जितने
हाँ.
मर्जी आ जाए.
Okay. Yeah, this is better if someone asks question.
We can
Students and we.
explain it.
Yeah.
This is the only way,
Yes.
ma'am. This is the only thing. Yesterday also we did the same. That's why Shilpa, I told you do homework.
Yes, sir.
एक साल हो गया आपका होमवर्क नहीं हुआ तो कैसे चलेगा?
Don't drop the board, sir. 1 second. अच्छा मेथड है ये.
चलिए, ये अच्छा मेथड नहीं है, यही कल किया था मैम.
कल किया था बट फिर
बैलेंसिंग वो एक्चुअली प्रॉब्लम हमारे साथ क्या है, वीडियो मिल जाएगा, रिकॉर्डिंग मेरे पास रहेगी, मैं देख लूंगी ना, कल कभी आया ना आएगा
ना
हर
कभी
चीज
देखिए.
मैंने क्या बताया, मैंने कल भी आपसे सिंपल क्वेश्चन स्टार्ट करने से पहले पूछा था, रेजोल्यूशन बनाते हैं तो क्यों नहीं कर पाते? दिस इज ह्यूमन टेंडेंसी टू पोस्टपोन. गेट इट? सो वी हैव टू वर्क ऑन दैट. जहां आपकी कमी है अगर उसी पे वर्क करेंगे तो सब ठीक हो जाएगा. चलिए, लेट्स मूव फर्दर. एक दो क्वेश्चंस इसी पैटर्न पे कर लीजिए. मतलब दिस टेक्निक 87 here, so that means 64. 8 7s are 56 means 112 and 49. So 9, 4 goes here, so 6. अब यहाँ पे मैंने 116 ही है मैम, बट मैंने 2 को से ही सिंपल कर लिया ना, क्योंकि there is no carry over coming. And 11 goes further to 75. ठीक है, गलत तो नहीं किया मैंने? कई बार गलती भी हो जाती है मुझसे भी. Done?
Yes, sir.
I thought, yeah, I thought to change my pattern. अभी तक मेरी workshop was always going for 3 hours, 45 minutes, 4 hours. Yesterday somebody was saying कि नहीं सर जल्दी हमें तो जाना है, फॉर्मेलिटी करनी है हमें तो, कि हमने क्लास लगाई. So I said ठीक है, कोई थ्योरी नहीं पढ़ाना, कोई बताना नहीं क्यों आ रहा है, just rush for the questions, no issues. Okay. Now last you solve and then we'll 85 scale solved by this horizontal method. So there you have 2 ways. Vertically also you can solve, horizontally also you can solve.
7225.
7225. That is mental answer. Everybody will be able to do, will do it. Now, up till 99, it was easy. Let me ask you one question now. Let's have a test. Yes, Bhushal sir, are you getting? You're back?
7225.
Yes. Akila, no answer from your side. 102 here. Correct. Now here, for all those who want advanced learning, A, I'll take this as B. So A square means 100. B square means 4. And in between means, yes, 2AB means 40. See, the beauty of this method is you don't have to write 0, 4. Even 4 bhi likhoge chal jayega. So answer is 1, 0. Only 4 will go here. Yes or no?
Wait, how did you do this, sir? 100 plus?
A square kitna hoga? If A is 10, what is A square? Yes?
Sir, repeat this. 104.
How? How I 100? You tell me this first.
Easy method.
और आप लगे रह जाते हैं वो 102 इंटू 102 3 बार मल्टीप्लिकेशन, चौथी बार एडिशन. यहाँ तो खत्म हो गया इतनी देर में. तो याद रखना, वैदिक मैथ्स में जितना बड़ा क्वेश्चन होगा उतना आसान होगा.
एकदम बढ़िया है.
Okay. I took. अब एक बैक पंचर्स का सवाल ले लेता हूं. I took A as 10, B as 2. तो A square हुआ 100, 280 हुआ 40 and B square हुआ 4. Correct? Any doubt?
No, sir.
Okay. एक बैक पंचर ने पूछा, सर why not A is equal to 1 and B is equal to 0.2? तो क्या आंसर है इसका? Is it possible?
So one space पे we have to take only one single digit.
कहाँ से सीखा?
Sir, from you only. Yesterday class.
मैंने अभी तक तो चले ही नहीं, हमने अभी तो ये नया टॉपिक है मैम.
सर पर आपने ये बताया था ना कि वन प्लेस पे आपकी सिंगल डिजिट ही रहेगी, सिंगल डिजिट ही होती है.
अभी एक क्वेश्चन है, ये आंसर नहीं दिया अभी हमने. यही तो चक्कर सीखना है हमने. यस मिस्टर भूषण.
सर बी को 0.2 लेंगे तो 12 नहीं हो जाएगा?
हाँ, ये मैथ्स के टीचर्स बताएंगे अभी. बोलिए शोभ.
तो 0.2 इज नथिंग बट 12. तो अगर a 1 लेंगे और b 2 लेंगे तो इट इज 12 का स्क्वायर जैसा हो जाएगा.
हाउ 0.2 is 12 भैया?
सर 0.2 की वैल्यू 2 है.
यही गलत फहमी. Suppose let's say Shoaib, I'm changing the question for you. If it is 121 and in the first case I took A as 12, B as 1, तो ये तो हो जाएगा, आपने कर लिया. अब A as 1 and B as 21, इसका मतलब ये होगा ही नहीं.
यस करेक्ट सर, करेक्ट.
जीरो क्यों सोच रहे हो? And 0 has a value if it is on the other side. ये याद रखना. वरना 10 रुपए 10 ही रहते हैं, अगर 2 0 लगा के 1000 भी बन जाते हैं. यस अदर्स. योगेश बोलिए.
यस सर.
Can I do this way? A is equal to 1 and B is equal to 0.2. क्या ये पॉसिबल है? यस नारद. अखिला. चलो अखिला, you don't have maths background. Yam, Sumit, Ramchandra, Nisha. So all those who are already teaching maths, they should answer. Maybe I am wrong. It's just a question of a backbenchers. They will ask you.
सर आंसर तो नहीं आएगा लेकिन क्यों वो नहीं पता.
Answer?
आंसर तो नहीं आएगा लेकिन क्यों वो नहीं पता.
Yes, Yam.
Yes, sir.
Is it correct? Can I do like this?
Yes, sir.
तो कैसे होगा?
12 को square 144.
12 कहाँ से होता है? 12 तो है ही नहीं सर.
2 to the 4 0 you can do.
चलो
10 into 10.
I'll take. आप सारे जीरो से घबरा गए, कोई बात नहीं.
Answer will come, but when it will be like 21 and other numbers, then it will be difficult to make it square again.
No, this is not.
If you consider as a single digit as a 0, 0, 4, 0 and all, then you can get an answer.
No, sir. That is what I told you. Vedic maths means ability to think. आपने वही रट्टा नहीं चलाना. You have to think in a different manner, and that I'll just show you how. See, first time I took A as 12, B as 1. This was, we already practiced this. So A square means 1, 4, 4. 12 into 2 means 24 and 1. So answer is 1, 4, 6.
1, 4, 6, 4, 4. Correct.
4, 1, sir. Correct? Any doubt in this?
No.
Now to make it more easy, I say A is equal to 1, B is equal to 21. Is it possible? Yes, it is possible. See the answer. A square 1, 2AB is 22 and 4, 4, 1. But अब क्या basic difference कहाँ आया? The basic difference is now you have made unit place as a 2-digit number. आपने खुद fix कर दिया. So fix करने का मतलब हर जगह 2 digits आएंगे. So only this 4 will move further. So it is 1, 4, 2, 4, 6, 4, 1. This is the answer. Same. See, एक चीज अंडरस्टैंड हो गई कि यूनिट प्लेस हमारा 1 है, सिंगल डिजिट है, तो हर जगह सिंगल सिंगल आ रहा है. यूनिट प्लेस हमने खुद डबल कर दिया, तो वो 2 डिजिट्स आएंगे हर जगह. ये आंसर एक बार लिखो वाला.
Oh my God.
Sir, second one is more easier.
Second one is very easy in certain case. I'll show you example. Let's say, पहले ये लिख लीजिए. I'll show you example. It's not second or first is easy. It is as per the conditions you have to change yourself. I'll give you one example. Let's say 711 question आ गया. ठीक है, तो अब 71 स्क्वायर पहले निकालोगे, फिर निकालोगे 71 into 1 into 2 and then 1 square. या आप सीधा निकाल दो 7 square, 7 into 11 into 2 और 11 square. क्या इजी है आप बताओ?
Second one.
फिर ये आपने सोचना है कि which has to be applied. पर आज तक हमने ये ऐसी टेक्निक्स दी नहीं ना, क्योंकि मैथ्स तो एक ही चीज है, एक सिस्टम बता दिया. You have to follow the same pattern every time. No, Vedic maths gives you ability to think in a different manner. अभी सबको मैं बोलूं कि ठीक है, आप नेपाल से इंडिया आना है, पैदल आइए सिर्फ, तो सारों का खत्म हो गया. But if there is an option of flight, bus, train, so many things, you'll feel. Same is with the students. हम इनको रटाना चाहते हैं, नहीं समझ, this is the answer, that is the wrong way. Give them the freedom to think. So Vedic maths will give you that freedom to think. I'll give you so many examples today. ये दोनों लिख लिया आपने? Yogesh, this is clear now?
Yes.
Now coming to 0, 2. So आप सबने सिर्फ 0 देखा, इसलिए छोड़ दिया था उसे. अब देखिए 1 square means 1, A square means 1. 2AB, 2 into 0, 2. Yes, Shoaib. 2 into 0, 2 is nothing but 4. But yes, this we have to write in 2 digits, write 0, 4. And 2 square is 0, 4 only. So see the answer. 1, 0, 4, 0, 4. Now is it clear?
Yes, sir.
The question नहीं करना. There is nothing impossible in Vedic maths. Everything is possible. ऐसी चीज जो मैथ्स में पॉसिबल नहीं है वो भी यहाँ पॉसिबल है. We can discuss on that also. But right now we are concentrating on this topic. ये तीनों एग्जांपल क्लियर?
Yes, sir.
एक
Yes, sir.
एक सॉल्व आप करिए. मैं इजी ही रख रहा हूँ so that it should not be a trouble for you people. 131 here. Both try with A as 13 and then A as 1. Please. So first case A as 13, B as 1. Do this. And second A as 1 and B as 31. Please do both. Yes, Shoaib. Now it is clear.
Yes, sir.
So things are possible.
One seven one six one.
Okay, you can check with both.
From both, sir, 17161.
Perfect. Now it's clear. But the problem with this method is for 2 digits it's very easy. But for 3 digits you'll take some time. For example, I'll give you one question. Let's say 276. Now both the ways you will have trouble. Either find 27 or 76. So 2 steps you have to take. Your wish. By any method you can give me the answer.
Sir, can you show 131 square, please?
Yes. Which one? Which method you want?
130, first one. 131 whole square.
इनपा आपको तो नहीं बताना चाहिए मुझे. What is 13 square? 169?
169, yes.
13 into 2, 26?
26, yeah.
So
01. Okay.
आप
One,
01
one.
आप 01 भी लिखेंगे तब भी फर्क नहीं पड़ेगा. इस मेथड में यही बेनिफिट है कि अगर आपसे गलती भी हो गई तो भी फर्क नहीं पड़ रहा. 01 लिखेंगे तब भी 0 का इम्पैक्ट नहीं आएगा. नहीं लिखेंगे तो भी नहीं आएगा. Vertical में there was a difference, correct? So 171,
Yes.
61, correct? Or second?
Yes.
Now,
Yes.
1 square is 1, then 62. So what is 31 square?
961.
Sorry?
961.
961. So 961. So now we have to make two digits. So 61 as it is, 9 goes here, it becomes 71, and 1 as it is. Same answer. Now it's clear, Shilpa?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Which answer you are asking, Narad?
If 1 minute, sir, if student ask like 9 plus 2, 11, this 61 is okay, but 9 plus 2 is 1, 11, so 1. And then 6, if we take 6 in another box, like 6 plus 1 plus 1, 8, then how we explain?
The question is wrong itself, very first thing. Second thing, you still want to explain. Now, this is a question of addition. Correct? 69 plus 67. I'm asking you this question. What is the answer? How do you do? You do 9 plus 6, 7 is 16.
Yeah. Yeah.
And put here.
Okay.
Correct? And then 13. Perfect?
Yes, sir.
But what happened? ये क्वेश्चन गलत कितनी बार होता है? मैक्सिमम टाइम, क्योंकि ओवरलुक. और अभी तो 2 ही डिजिट से ज्यादा होंगे तो ओवरलुक हो जाता है, मींस यू फॉरगेट. दिस इज ओनली द सिली मिस्टेक. अब मैं आपको वैदिक मैथ्स का तरीका देता हूं. व्हाट इज 9 + 7?
16.
And what is 6 + 6? What?
12.
6 + 6. See,
12.
both the answers are in front of you. Now balance it. एक, अब आप बोलेंगे सर आपने एक स्टेप एक्स्ट्रा लिया, यहाँ एक ही स्टेप था, यहाँ 2 स्टेप है. बट एक प्रॉब्लम, एक टेंशन, एक स्ट्रेस जो ये कैरी ओवर के रूप में था, वो हमेशा के लिए खत्म हो गया. सिंपल एक ही पैटर्न, बैलेंस इट, दैट्स ऑल. एंड व्हेन आंसर्स आर इन फ्रंट ऑफ यू, यू विल नॉट मेक सिली मिस्टेक्स. So there are see, एक वर्कशॉप में you cannot learn entire Vedic mathematics. 3 months चाहिए उसके लिए. So this was a question of addition. अगर मैं addition start कर देता तो आधे से ज्यादा लोग लिख रहे होते addition के लिए पैसे लिए. So you have to understand the intentions and what they expect from you in that 2 days only. Now it's clear?
Yes, sir.
But so what was the answer of 267 I asked? Please do it so that we'll move further. Yes, anyone has done? 7, it's not. Chetri, how can 7 and 7 multiply to give 6? ये last 7 है. 7 square 49 होता है, तो last digit 6 तो आ ही नहीं सकता.
So I've written a wrong question. 276 I wrote.
Okay, sorry. So let's do this. Sorry. मेरी गलती है. And any question you can do.
Okay.
76176.
Perfect. Done? Okay, एक last question करते हैं. That is just for so that you understand कि this pattern, this method, this way, this technique is better for 2 digits only. जैसे बड़े digits होंगे, this will become a problem. For bigger digits, I'll give you one more easy technique. So for this last question, 999 square. Please solve.
998,001.
कैलकुलेटर से नहीं करना, मैं बीच के डिजिट्स पूछ लूंगा.
No, sir, I am doing this by multiplying with 999. 99 method.
What is 2AB here? That's what I know you are doing with other technique. That is what I wanted to everyone to understand. एक क्वेश्चन एक तरीके से नहीं सॉल्व होता, 6 तरीकों से हो सकता है. बट हम बच्चे को रटाते थे. So we were at fault, not the kids. So okay, I'll just do it. So if I take A as 9, B as 99, then A square is 51. This is 1782, and 99 square means 9801. अब दो digits लेने हैं तो 01, 98 यहाँ गया, so it becomes 0, then 8, और further 18 आगे गया, so that becomes 9. Yes, ठीक कर रहा हूँ. बोलिए.
फर्स्ट मेथड से किया था सर, डिफिकल्ट पड़ा, ये इजी है.
कोई नहीं, अभी तो और बहुत से हैं मेथड. तो 9, हाँ बोलिए. 998001. So everybody of you took more than 3 minutes in this. So we'll do this one more easy method, but write down this so that you should know. A को 99 ले ले तो 9801, यहाँ तो सेम रहेगा 1782 और 81. So 1 goes here. तो 179 अगर गया तो again 0998. So both the ways you can just write down in your notebook because we'll do differently now. Yes, Shoaib, is it clear?
Yes, sir.
See, if you see my books, I have written 13 different techniques to find scares. So it is your choice. आपको बच्चे को देखना है कि उसकी समझ कहाँ आ रही है. As a teacher, you should know all. तभी करा पाएंगे ना. चलिए, एक easy concept करते हैं. So that, yes, everybody has written this?
Yes, sir.
Perfect. Now, finding scares. Of numbers ending with 5. Sir, you should be able to answer this within 1 second. और ये नहीं करेंगे तो फिर मुश्किल हो जाएगा. Akhila, it's not movie watching. Now see, so first number क्या होता है? Number ending with 5. It is 5 only. What is 5 square? We already did 25. Correct. अब आगे के numbers देखिए कैसे करने हैं. Second number है 15. So please understand, we'll use again the first sutra, ikadikena purvena. कैसे? इसका तो आंसर 25 लिख दो. You know, ये जो नंबर है दूसरा, इसको इसके नेक्स्ट से मल्टीप्लाई कर दो. सो नेक्स्ट क्या आता है 1 के बाद? या +1 क्या होता है? 2. So 1 into 2 is
2.
Yes, Akhila, 1 into 2.
2.
So answer is there, 225. 25 square. So what comes after 2? 3. So 2 into 3 is
6.
625.
625. Finish. Yellow. 35. What comes after 3?
1225.
1225. Yes, Akhila. Did you get this?
Yes, sir.
45 square बोलिए फिर जल्दी. कोई और नहीं बोले.
2025.
45 square is कहाँ हम कैलकुलेट करते रहते हैं, कहाँ you done this mentally.
2025.
What is 55 square?
30,
30
25.
30. Yes, Nisha, are you getting? Only 2-3 people are answering. नेपाल से आज रिस्पांस नहीं है. सब सर, भूषण सर, मीटिंग कर लो तो इधर भी देख लो.
Yes, sir.
45 square क्या होगा?
2025.
देखा? That means you're not there. चलिए, 65 square.
4225.
5.
75 square.
5625.
5625.
और हमने अभी देखो कितनी तब कैसे सीखा था. 49, 25, 35 into 2, 70. इतना लगा के 5625 किया था. And now we know it mentally. It is 5625. Correct? Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Perfect. Okay. So 65 भी हो गया, 75 भी हो गया. So what is 85 here?
7225.
7225.
Perfect.
Sir, I didn't get this. Sir,
मैम नहीं हो सकता. 9 हो गए, आप सुनते ही नहीं है, चले जाते हैं बीच में.
बीच में थोड़ा जाना पड़ रहा है सर.
फिर मैम मैं भी फ्री नहीं हूँ ना. दूसरा कल से मुझे यही
Okay.
कमेंट आया कि आई एम वेरी स्लो बिकॉज ऑफ 2 people. You should understand this importance also. 95 here. I'm repeating your name again and again. You're not there.
9025.
It's just multiplication with the first digit with the next one. 105 square.
110, 25.
110, 25.
Perfect. Again, 115 square.
130, 25.
So just yesterday हमने किया था 11 into 12 is 132. So 13225. Correct. Yes, Akhila, you are getting
Yes, sir.
125 here. See how easy this was. So try to create that excitement in the students को अपने आप डर जैसे ही भागेगा, they'll start loving it. डर को भगा दो, सब ठीक हो जाएगा, चाहे वो कैसा भी बच्चा हो. 125 क्या? So what is 12 into 13? 15625. This we should know. 12 into 13, 156. 135 क्या? याद ही नहीं किसी को. So 13 into 14 is 182. And the last 145 scale. What is 14 into 15? Yes, what is 14 into 15?
21025.
Perfect. 210, 25. So up till here, it's sufficient. Otherwise, this is how you can do with numbers. Now, same way you can do with 4, 6, 25. So many other techniques are there. But the first one is to understand this 5, 1. If you understand 5, if you remember this, finding squares will not be a difficulty anytime. और ये 8th स्टैंडर्ड की बुक में आता है स्केयरिंग, क्यूबिंग, स्केयर रूट, क्यूब रूट, जहां सब बच्चे फंसते हैं. Because they are not able to, आता है उन्हें, but they are not able to do it in class. Any doubt in these topics? First, finding the squares of 2-digit numbers. 3 सिर्फ कुछ examples लिए थे. And second, finding the squares of numbers ending with 5. Any doubts?
Sir, if it will be 995 square, then it will be much harder than finding like this.
क्यों? 99 into 100 तो सबसे आसान है.
Sorry, 895.
मैम एक चीज बताओ, क्या यही एक कंसेप्ट रह गया?
No, sir. The earlier one was also there.
एक मिनट, आप 895 भी बहुत इजी है. 9 से तो मल्टीप्लाई करना है. सी प्लीज अंडरस्टैंड. अभी तक तो हमारे पास एक ही तरीका था कि हम 995 को ऐसे ही लिख के करते थे. अभी मैं 6 डिफरेंट टेक्निक्स मिल गई वैदिक मैथ्स में. सो एक्सेप्ट विद पॉजिटिविटी.
Yes, sir.
प्लीज एक चीज प्रियंका, मैंने चीज बताता हूँ. हम लोग क्या कर रहे हैं, हम लोग खुद नेगेटिव है मैथ्स में. जब हमारे अंदर नेगेटिविटी होगी ना, हम बच्चों को नहीं पॉजिटिव बना सकते. खुद पहले पॉजिटिव बनो कि यस दिस इज द एनर्जी, एंड बिलीव मी योर एनर्जी विल गो टू देम.
Yes, yes.
यू गेट माय पॉइंट. कई बार आपकी मुस्कुराहट से लोग एक जीना सीख जाते हैं, वो बड़ी बात है. बच्चों को वही चाहिए.
Yeah, it is true, very true.
And Vedic maths gives that. You believe or not believe, I was never a trainer, I was never a teacher, I was never, मैंने तो कभी क्लास ली ही नहीं थी. And people know, जो मुझे जानते हैं, I was a core businessman. And in last 3 years, this has changed my life. Because the positivity Vedic maths में इतनी है. हम जब बात कर रहे हैं, हमारे पास 2 घंटे हैं, इसमें हम कितना कर लेंगे. बट अगर आप इसको इंप्लीमेंट करो अपनी लाइफ में, तो यू विल चेंज योर लाइफ. करेक्ट? ओके. Yes, yum लगे हुए हैं पूरे questions. Great. Yes, that is the way you learn that. So the third concept of finding squares. I'm not giving all 13 today. कुछ भारी हो जाएगा आपके लिए. एक यूनिवर्सल कंसेप्ट बता रहा हूँ. अच्छा, सच पहले बताइए, 999 में कितना टाइम लगा था? At least 3 minutes if you were calculating. Now this 999 or this will not take even seconds. So that is a universal concept. I'll tell you how. Let's take a very small number, 26 only. Now the target over here is, here we'll use the concept of a square minus b square, that is a plus b into a minus b. I'll tell you how. My number is 26. I want that this 6 should be replaced by 0. How is it possible? How can I replace
30 minus 4.
30 minus 4? Okay. What
20
else?
plus 6.
20 plus 6. Yes, any other? Yes, anyone else? Yogesh, Ramchandra sir.
40 minus 14.
ओ बाप रे, मतलब ये तो फिर ऐसे 90 माइनस दिस ये भी कर दो, इतना बड़ा कैलकुलेट कौन करेगा?
30 minus 4.
ग्रेट. नाउ सी, अभी हमने 26 का एक टेक्निक तो तब सीखी थी, अब दो और देख लीजिए. 26, तो 26 में 4 ऐड किया, सो इट बिकम्स 30. करेक्ट. Whatever is added, हमने अपने आप से ऐड किया, it should be subtracted also. So 26 minus 4 is 22. ऐड किया तो 30 आ गया, सब्ट्रैक्ट किया तो 22 आ गया. मल्टीप्लाई इन दोनों को करिए. 22 into 3 is 6. So square of this, चाहे इसका स्क्वायर ले लो चाहे इसका, 676 is your answer. एक ये बड़े नंबर्स में इतना मैजिकल रहेगा. नाउ सी 26, you can subtract 6, so you get 20. अब subtract किया तो you have to add, मतलब one side should be subtraction, so same, so this becomes 32. What is 32 into 20? 64. और 6 यहाँ से ऐड किया, 676. तो कितने मेथड्स मिल गए? अभी हमने 26 का एक टेक्निक देखे थे, दो तरह से, एक हॉरिजॉन्टल एक वर्टिकल, एक दो ये भी हो गए, ये भी दोनों अलग हैं, बिकॉज हर इंसान की सोचने की क्षमता अलग है. somebody said 30 minus 4, somebody said 20 plus 6. everybody has a different aptitude, so हमें यही समझना है, you have to widen down your नॉलेज, और ये वैदिक मैथ्स के अलावा नहीं आ सकती. और अगर आई गिव यू अ गारंटी, अगर आप 15 मिनट रोज वैदिक मैथ्स करो, मैथ तो छोड़ो, मैथ्स तो इंप्रूव हो जाएगा, आपकी लाइफ इंप्रूव हो जाएगी. जितने लड़ाई झगड़े हैं वो तो बंद हो ही जाएंगे, क्योंकि यू विल स्टार्ट विजुअलाइजिंग द सिचुएशंस. और क्या चाहिए लाइफ में, राइट? सो मैथ्स कैन बी taken like that also. Is it clear? This one. Now I'll give you, please write down once this, then I'll give you another example, and then we'll have exercises. Okay, now just see 999. हमने कितनी कैलकुलेशंस की? We found 9 square, that was 81. Found 99 square, that was 9801. Then we found 2 into 9 into 99, that was 1782. इतनी कैलकुलेशंस की बजाय अगर हमने अगला प्लीज सी +1 किया होता तो दिस वाज 100, और -1 कर दिया तो 998. इन दोनों को मल्टीप्लाई करो तो क्या आया? 998 और ऐड 1 किया, फिनिश. तो क्या रहा? कोई कैलकुलेशन ही नहीं है. जस्ट 1 ऐड करने से अगर आंसर निकलता था, और हमने जो बड़ी कैलकुलेशंस होंगी, सी एवरी टाइम यू विल नॉट करेक्ट मेक इट करेक्ट. 99 स्क्वायर 81 आ जाएगा, बट 99 स्क्वायर यू माइट मेक अ मिस्टेक, और अगर वहां भी नहीं की तो 2ab में कर सकते हैं, बट यहां तो चांसेस ही खत्म हो गए. Got it? Yes, Shoaib. Particularly if you talk about
Yes, sir.
999, particularly if you talk about 999, even there is one more method, which is, you cannot say it is not for 999 only. You talk about any number, 9999999 into, now this is 7 digit, let's say 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. The result is, just subtract 1 from this. So this is 1 2 3 4 5 6 6. ये आंसर आएगा, और उसके बाद 9 में से निकाल दीजिए, इसके आगे लगाइए 8 7 6 5 4 3 3. फिनिश. दिस इज द आंसर. ये टॉपिक अलग है मल्टीप्लिकेशन का, लेटर यू लर्न, बट आई वाज जस्ट गिविंग यू अ हिंट हाउ फास्ट यू कैन डू द कैलकुलेशंस just by mere observations. I'll not touch this topic, just एक दिखाने के लिए था. Yes, this is clear. 999 square.
Yes.
चलिए,
Yes, sir.
इसी को एक एग्जांपल और करिए. 112 स्क्वायर. अब वही 102 या 112, चलिए 102 से कर लीजिए, जहां आपको तकलीफ हुई थी. पहले ये 102 इसमें करिए.
10404.
करेक्ट. आंसर तो पहले भी यही आया था, बट क्या इज इट इजी और नॉट?
Very easy.
Got it?
Yes, sir. I have
Yes,
not-
sir.
Yes, Priyanka, you have any question?
Yes, sir. Please solve it. I am not getting the answer.
102, यहाँ पे 2 की जगह 0 कैसे आएगा? -2 किया तो क्या आ गया? 100.
I have made it 1110 plus 8 and minus 8. If it is done by that,
एक चीज बताओ, सिंपल लगाने की बजाय अब कान ऐसे सिंपल पकड़ा जाता है, यूं घुमाओगे क्यों?
100 is always easy to multiply.
relation, I got it to 1110. Okay, I'll do it with -2.
100 is always easy. I just add 2 zeros.
और पता है, इट्स ओके, 11 वाला फिर भी इजी था. अगर ये 112 होता तो 120 लगा देते, फिर नहीं सॉल्व होता आपसे, क्योंकि 11 का तो मल्टीप्लिकेशन इजी है, बट बाकी डिजिट्स तो वो भी नहीं है. So look for the easiest approach. One more. 213. Here, find out. But you told me, Priyanka, you are taking Vedic Maths classes. आपने तो किया हुआ बैच.
But I told you also that I am not in running of it. No, that's why
This is
I'm
not asking advance, ma'am. This is a general. देखो कल भी I'm not, because advance I cannot deal right now. In this workshop you have mixed kind of people who are in the same field or who are not.
But actually, while taking your workshop, I am finding that I have learned nothing from them. There, I'm learning here only.
So why? I'll tell you why. I'll tell you why. See, I have a different approach. What I want is you should come out. Otherwise, what will happen? You are again cramming the things. रट्टा लगवा दिया 4 चीजों को, 4 सूत्र को, कोई जरूरत नहीं है ना. You don't.
That's what's happening there, I think.
नहीं, वो मुझे मैंने आपको एक वर्ड और कहा था कि अच्छा कर लो, उसके बाद जब आओगे पैसे भी पूरे मिलेंगे मुझे.
Yeah.
So that is, I know that.
45369.
So congratulations,
Yes, sir.
you are able to do.
45369.
Congratulations to you, because you are able to solve such a big question.
Thank you, sir.
नहीं, just pay attention. That's what I, क्योंकि आप क्या करते हो, हर चीज एकदम नीचे झुका लेते हो
नहीं,
ना।
आज तो मैं आपके स्क्रीन ही देख रही हूँ सर।
तो आज
मिस्टेक
समझ
रेक्टिफाइड।
ज्यादा आएगा। चलिए, गुड। अच्छा, एनी डाउट? इवन 4 डिजिट नंबर्स हो जाए, लीजिए 4997, करिए। बट घबराना नहीं है कि 5000 से मल्टीप्लाई करना है। 5, अगेन मल्टीप्लिकेशन बाय 5 हम करते ही नहीं है वैदिक मैथ्स में, वी डिवाइड बाय 2। खैर वो बाद की प्रोसीजर्स है, आप सीख जाएंगे। योगेश, लड़ना नहीं है भाई।
Two four nine seven zero zero.
24975 009.
गुड।
Okay, sir, here we need to multiply 4994 with 5005.
5000, not 5. So
Yeah,
5
yeah, like 5000. Yeah.
in actually you're multiplying with only 5 only, na?
Yes.
Second thing, शिल्पा, ये जब ये टॉपिक कब आएगा? ये टॉपिक आएगा when we'll be doing after scaling comes after multiplication. So by that time you would have learned कि whenever the question comes of multiplication with 5, don't do it. Instead of that, divide by. Got it? So the books are planned in such a way, stepwise. First you will learn basics, the fear factors, tables. Then you start with addition. Then you go for subtraction. Thereafter multiplication, and thereafter scaling.
7
Okay.
09. Correct.
Chalo. So any doubt for जो बीच का business points थे, I'm not discussing right now. So first I'll clear all the calculations. Any doubt in these 3 techniques? Anyone, any question, please ask. Otherwise, we'll go for a cubing. Cubes is very easy. Though in conventional it was difficult, but here it is very easy. It is just a game, like what we played yesterday. Yes, anyone has any doubt?
No, sir.
Full doubts because I missed it. Ma'am, what should I do then? Ma'am, you have to.
Yes, I missed that part. No, so
नहीं,
the starting part.
Don't
थोड़ा
worry.
बहुत.
कोई बात
That's
नहीं, इसी बहाने वीडियो देख लेंगे आप आज।
Okay, ठीक है।
अभी चलो, मैं 2 मिनट का वाटर ब्रेक देता हूँ। 2 मिनट में we'll start again and we'll start with cubing. Cubes are much easier than this. Only 2 minutes, not more than that. Okay. Yes, I'm back. Okay. Yes, are we back, everyone?
Yes, sir.
Yes, yes.
Okay. So, now we'll start with one thing more that Kausam, you initially told that you know this table. See, we know the table, but we never use that for further calculations. अगर आप टेक्निक्स देखेंगे कन्वेंशनल मैथमेटिक्स की, so either it is multiplication or yeah, algebraic expression a plus b whole square. So we never use that table, but in Vedic maths we'll use that table. It is not only in the case of finding squares. No, it was just one use of that. आपने देखा जितने बड़े numbers थे, we were using that for that. Other than that was square roots. Square roots भी उसी table से ही निकलेंगे. So that is the biggest thing, because for square root finding, you do it by factorization method. But in Vedic maths, we do by visualization. देखने से ही answer मिल जाता है, and that is called as Viloknam Sutra, by mere observation. तो कहां से देखेंगे, कैसे देखेंगे? Just इस table को 1 to 10 के digits देखेंगे, and then we get the answer. Very beautiful technique. Helps a lot to the students who are appearing for competitive exams. Coming to cube. Again, what is the cube of a number? Yes, what is cube of a number?
Multiplying the
same
number
number 3
by itself
times.
thrice.
Multiplying the same number 3 times. So it is n cube, that says n into n into n. Correct? So same, 1 cube becomes 1 into 1 into 1. That is 1. 2 cube becomes 2 into 2 into 2. That is? Yes, what is that? 8. क्या हो गया, भूख लग गई? बहुत छोटा कर दिया वर्कशॉप. So please write down this so that you understand. Again, notes download किए थे किसी ने? नहीं. See, we have skipped the part of business promotion. Otherwise, we'll go later if it is required. Otherwise, you would have learned that also, how to start your classes, how to promote your classes. Anyhow, first let's come to this cube session. Able to see the screen. So please write down this table again. This is, sorry. Yes, this one. So cube of 1 is 1. Cube of this you have to remember again. So once you have written, we'll move further. Please write down fast. Yes, Kausar ma'am, this is a new topic. Now you should attend completely. Written?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Okay. Yes, Priyanka, Yogesh.
Yes,
Anyone?
sir.
Paula? So this would be just a game kind of. Very easy to calculate. तो प्रियंका आप कैसे निकालते हैं अभी क्यूब ऑफ 21?
सर अभी तो कन्वेंशन मेथड ही चल रहा है।
नहीं आए आप? प्लीज योगेश, आपके पीछे बहुत नॉइज है. So first we'll learn how to find cubes of numbers from 11 to 99. 10 तक हमने कर लिए. What was the cube of 10?
It's 1000.
Okay. So 10, we'll start with finding the cubes of two-digit numbers like we did in squaring. And then उसी से ही आप 3 digits भी निकाल सकते हैं. Now for this, let's play a game. I'll divide all these numbers into 4 categories. So category 1, Surinder is joining now.
Recording in progress.
So category 1, किसी ने recording on की है? Category 1 is all the numbers starting with 1. तो कौन से numbers हैं जो start होंगे 1 से?
7 to 19.
11, 12 up till 90. Correct? No doubt. Second category, numbers ending with 1. So कौन से होंगे?
11, 21, 31, 41.
Perfect. And 91.
91.
Surinder, you are late. I think you joined now only. What happened? Category 3. Numbers having both digits same. What are those? 11, 22, 33, 99. And the last category is all the left out numbers. All the left out numbers. What are those? 23. It will start from 23 because first 19 done, 20 you know, 21 done, 22 done, 23, 24 up till 98. Correct? This is clear? How I categorized? Yes, Shoaib?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now see, very interesting. You'll see. Let's say I have to find square of first category, that is number starting with 1 and the number is 12. So till now what we do? 12, 12, 4, 2, 0, 2, 1 and it becomes 144. Then we again multiply. So 1728 we get the answer. But see, 4 times you do multiplication and twice you do addition, then only you get the answer. And now you'll see how you'll do this in a magic way, in a fast manner. Anyone who knows any different method? Yes, anyone?
A plus B the whole cube, sir.
A plus B whole cube. Again, when you say A plus B, what will be the A? You'll take A as 10, correct?
Yes, sir.
So that will again become a big A.
Yes, sir. It takes time.
Means 1000. So that also we'll use that formula, but not in the way what you are talking about. We'll use later on. So first is 12 cube. First step, we'll have 4 steps. make 4 spaces available. कर लेंगे इतना? Second step. At first position, write the first number 1. Second position, write second number 2. इतना हो जाएगा? Easy है? Then third step पर find square of 2. What is square of 2?
4.
4.
Perfect. Cube of 2. 8. So fourth step पे I have the answer 1, 2, 4, 8. Correct? यहाँ तक you have the answer. Now ये जो middle terms है ना, इनको double कर दो. Double means 2 times. So 2 का कितना बन जाएगा? 4. 4 का कितना बन जाएगा? 8. Add it. 1. Balancing line लगानी है तो ये लीजिए. 1728. Yes, sure. Did you understand?
Yes, sir.
Shilpa, Akhila.
Yes, sir.
One more example I'll give you. And then I'll ask you question. Let's take 14. I'll not take 4 steps. First step, 1, 4. First number पे 1 लिखा, second पे 4 लिखा. Square of 4 is 16. Correct? Cube of 4 is 64. Double 8. Double 32. Add 1, 12, 48, 64. So 4 remains here. 48 plus 6 is 54. So 4 only. 5 goes further. So 7. 1 goes further. So 2. Is it clear now? What happened, Akila?
Yes, sir.
I'm just wondering, sir. That's it.
What? See, Vedic maths is not new. The only thing is, we are living in a country where there is objection on every knowledge. That is the thing.
Right.
And competitive academies were using such concepts. But since there are so many concepts, they used to pick one and every teacher used to say, this is my concept, please learn. So nobody was saying that it is from Vedic maths. Yes, anyone has a doubt? मुझे बार बार नाम क्यों लेने पड़ रहे हैं? Yes, Yogesh, clear? Sharad, Naveen? शोएब पीछे बहुत डिस्टर्बेंस है.
Sir, 832, how it came?
16 into 2.
We doubled this. Middle terms. This is middle term. This is middle term. First step was 1. Second was 4 because 1 is this. 4 is this. What is square of 4? 16. Cube of 4?
16.
64.
Yeah.
Yeah, here I have done everything. You didn't listen to this? First, see this. Yeah. Now clear, Nabin? Yes, anyone has a doubt in this?
No doubt at all.
Okay, then do 13 cube. Do everyone. 13 cube. And then check with the answer. 1, 3. 3 square is 9. 3 cube is 27. So 6, 18. So 1, 9, 27, 27. So that means 7, 9, 1, 2. Yes. What is
Done,
the
sir.
answer?
2197.
So everybody got it or not?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So last question, 71 cube. Sorry, 17 cube. So 1, 7. What is cube of 7? Yes, Akhila, what is cube of 7?
98.
343.
Cube of 7.
343.
So how 98? Who said 98?
Me only.
How?
Wrong.
तभी टेबल बोला था ना, याद कर लो. वो टेबल इसीलिए था. कोई बात. एक ही दिन में बहुत सारा सिखा दिया ना. Done? Yes, is it clear now? Shoaib,
Yes, sir.
easy है.
Yes, sir.
You are already doing math, see, but this is comparatively very easy. You're from Surat or which place?
Bhavnagar.
Okay. So now 11 to 19 is clear.
So can you just show how you got 4913? The
Okay.
addition part, I'm still a little slow on that. 3.
34 goes here. So what is this? 1, 8, 1.
Sorry.
No problem. You can adjust later. Now this is 181. So 18 goes further. It becomes 39. So 9. And then 3 goes further. So 4. That is balancing line. I told you. Any topic you take, balancing line is there in Vedic maths. And if you follow that balancing pattern, you'll be able to do entire Vedic maths.
Sir, what about 1?
Which one, sir?
The first one.
So ये 1 के ये कितना हुआ? 18 यहाँ आया तो ये what it becomes 39. So 3 plus 1 is?
Okay. Got it.
Got it? छोड़ेंगे तो ना सर 1 को. Got it?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So 11 to 19 is clear. Now, let's reverse it. Ending with 1. So how do you do, Shoaib?
No idea, sir. 20 plus 1 वही trick नहीं है.
20 या नॉर्मल प्रोसीजर में ये 441 आ जाता है 2 स्टेप्स पे, फिर 21 से, करेक्ट? अब here it is more simple. वही 4 स्टेप and first I was starting with 1, now ending with 1. So 1 at the end, 2 in the here. What is square of 2? 4. Cube of 2? 8. Again, middle terms double. 9, 2, 6, 1 is the answer. Finish. And we were doing 4 times multiplication and twice addition.
Very easy, sir.
Now, Shoaib, clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so everyone do please 41 cube. Surendra Gatti, what happened? No questions, no answers, and you joined also late.
Sir, yes, sir. Got it, sir. Got it.
Did you do the homework, yesterday's homework?
Yeah.
No,
No, sir.
because there's something I added in the homework which was not taught to you, so I could make out. Yes, Priyanka, now is it
Yes.
clear?
Yes,
6
sir.
4 1.
6, 8, 9 to 1.
Is it clear?
6, 8, 9 to 1.
Is it clear?
Yes, sir. 6, 8, 9 to 1.
Perfect. Easy है ना technique तो? Just एक game है. चलो एक क्वेश्चन सबके लिए.
बताइए सर.
Why I created 4 spaces? Why not 5? Why not 3? Yes, Kausar ma'am. Akhila. Why 4 spaces? Why not? See, यही क्वेश्चन आएंगे आपको बच्चों से. They'll ask this way only. Why? How? Narad, you check with your WhatsApp. Homework was given in the WhatsApp itself.
Sir, I didn't get the homework yesterday at the.
I just show you. आपने या तो सेव नहीं किया हुआ नंबर. आपको मैंने अभी भी दोबारा भेजना पड़ा ना मुझे.
Yes, sir.
वो मेरा नंबर आपने उसमें नहीं सेव किया होगा. देखते हैं. कोई
Yes,
बात.
sir. I can see your status daily.
मैं भेजता हूँ.
Okay, sir.
कल मांग लेना था उसमें क्या. चलो कोई बात नहीं. अभी दे. Why it happened? I'll check it out. Yes, done.
Yes,
What
sir.
is 41 cube हो गया.
Hmm.
लास्ट कर लीजिए 81 क्यूब.
वो डाउट क्लियर नहीं हुआ सर.
क्या?
Why are you putting only 4 spaces? Why not 5? Why not 2?
आपने ट्राई क्या किया? डाउट तब होता है जब आप ट्राई करो. ट्राई करो.
क्या करना ट्राई?
क्यों ऐसा किया मैंने?
I don't know.
टेबल लिखा था वो वाला फर्स्ट 10 का.
कौन सा सर?
अभी क्यूब्स का दिया था 1 to 10.
नहीं, I was just not here at that time. Break.
एक टेबल
was
दिया
on a
था
break.
to write down the cubes of first 10 digits.
I saw that, sir. Yes.
So वो 10 cube is 1000. So
2-digit का any 2-digit number would be of 4 numericals, 4 numbers.
minimum I'm saying. Maximum तो बढ़ेगा. It's not 81 will not be a 4-digit number. So minimum 4 spaces are required. If it is extra, it will always be adjusted on the left hand side. Got it? So you cannot have 3 because 4 are minimum requirement.
Correct. Thank you.
Okay, Dil Bahadur Chhatri. See, I'll give you everyone again my number.
521 sir.
921 मेरे हिसाब से नहीं आना चाहिए.
Only 9.
531441 should be the answer.
513441. Yes, sir.
देखो मैम.
Sir, it's 513.
531441.
Check करो.
Yes, sir. 531. Correct.
हो गया? Now first 2 topics are clear. Third is the most easiest one. Let's say 22 I have to. कुछ सोच सकते हैं? How will we do this? Anyone? Any long guess?
11 into 2.
नहीं 11 तो नहीं कर. Yes, anyone? Yum? शिल्पा याद है? नबीन? सुरेंद्र? Yes, Akhila, try. I guess. Kausar? 12 you have done, 21 you have done, now it is 22. So what will you do? चलिए मैं बता देता हूँ. Sorry. It's the most easiest one. 2 का cube होता है 8. Write 8 at all the 4 positions. Finish. 16, 16, 8, 24, 24, 8. So 8, 4, 6, 10. Finish. So whatever is the number, write the cube at all 4 positions. So easy to understand and remember. Is it clear? Okay. So do 33 is cube. What is cube of 3?
27.
Huh? 27. So write 7 at every position. So Akhila, cube of 3 is 27. You missed that. So write at every position. 27, 27, 27, 27. So that means 54, 54, and do it. 27, 81, 81, 27. Balance 7, 2, 9, 35.
35927.
Correct.
So 35937 नहीं आएगा.
Sorry. बिल्कुल ठीक कह रहे हैं.
35937.
Done? एक बड़ा क्वेश्चन कर लो. 99 क्यूब. Sorry, 91 cube. 99 cube, sir. Yes.
So it's 970,299.
7290.
So any doubt? Any doubt you have now? Yes, tell me.
No.
Okay, coming to the last part. Now, the last is using the formula only, but in a different manner. AB cube. Till now, you have been using A plus B whole cube as A cube plus B cube plus 3A square B plus 3A B square. Correct? This you have been following. But अगर 24 है या 23 है तो we used to make it 20 plus 3. So you can understand 20 cube will become 8,000. So it would be a big number. But in Vedic maths, you treat every digit as separate identity. So it becomes simpler. But यहाँ पे कैसे होगा? The pattern you have to understand. Now, in case of squares also, here also, you'll say सर ये रटे कैसे? सो दिस इज अगेन डिराइव्ड, एक अलग सूत्र है जिससे डेरिवेशंस हुई हैं, वो जब आप कंप्लीट कोर्स समझते हैं तब आपको आ जाएगा। ए क्यूब ए स्क्वायर बी स्क्वायर ए and b cube. The pattern has to be the same. It should not, क्योंकि यहाँ पे तो आप a cube कहीं लिख दीजिए, b cube कहीं कर लीजिए, b cube यहाँ ले जाइए तो भी फर्क नहीं है. But here it will have a difference because here you're working on the basis of balancing line. And then the last step is always same. Two times करेंगे तो that means 2a square b हो गया, 2b square a हो गया, whatever is there. So end result is a cube same 3a square b, 3b square a and b cube. But instead of plus sign, it is balancing line. The same what we used to do. But this has been derived in the sutra called Anurupena Sutra. वो जब हम पढ़ेंगे तो एक सूत्र आता है. This is now we are just moving with the concept कि कैसे है. Let's take one example for this. यहीं पे ले लेते हैं so that आपके सामने रहे. Let's say 23 is the question. First ही number है 23. So A is 2, B is 3. So A cube कितना हुआ? Yes, 8. Very good. What is A square B? So A square B means 2 into 2 into 3. कितना हुआ?
12.
Very good. What is B square A?
18.
18. And what is B cube?
27.
Perfect. So 24, 36, 27, balancing line 54, balancing line 36, and 8. So if I balance, this is 7, this goes here, so 6, 5 goes here, so 1, 4 goes further, so 1, 2, 1, 6, 7. So if you would have done with your concept, then यहाँ 8,000 आ जाता. बच्चा आधा तो उसी से घबरा जाएगा, इतना बड़ा नंबर.
Yes, sir.
See the difference and see the mentality. Same 8 is there. यहाँ 8,000 सिर्फ 8 ही रिप्रेजेंट कर रहा है. 8,000 देखते ही आप पहले ही घबरा जाते हैं, इतना बड़ा आंसर.
So this sutra can be used for any two-digit number.
Any.
When we find a cube of any two-digit.
Yes, I'll show you. First, you write down this. I'll show you about first 4 cases also, first 3 cases also. But why did we play a game? Because you have to make your class interesting. Otherwise, एक formula रट लो और काम खत्म हो गया. रटना ही नहीं है. और क्वेश्चंस हमेशा वही आते हैं 22, 44, 66, 88. Generally that type of questions are coming. You write down this, I'll show you. Yes, done. Okay, now just see. If I'm coming here. First example, what was the first example I took? 12. Yes, right? 12 ही था कोई और था?
Yes, sir. 12.
Correct.
20.
So
21.
21. sir.
पहला 12 था ना, first number starting with 1.
हाँ.
पहले तो starting with 1 किया था. Correct. अब अगर यहाँ पे भी वही ले, a is equal to 1, b is equal to 2. तो क्या आएगा? a क्यूब कितना आया? 1. a स्क्वायर b कितना आया? 2. b स्क्वायर a कितना आया? 4. एंड b क्यूब कितना आया? 8. हमने क्या किया? हमने एक गेम बना दी कि फर्स्ट डिजिट एज इट इज, सेकंड डिजिट एज इट इज, सेकंड का स्क्वायर, सेकंड की क्यूब. आया तो वही. We could have remembered this formula and we could have gone for every answer, but फिर क्लास में इंटरेस्ट कहां से आएगा बच्चों को? सेम 21 के केस में 2 क्यूब मींस 8, 2 स्क्वायर इनटू 4 एंड 2 and 1. हमने क्या किया? उल्टी तरफ से ले लिया कि यस, फर्स्ट राइट डाउन लास्ट डिजिट 1, देन 2, देन 4, देन 8. हम रिवर्स चले गए, आया तो वही आंसर. चाहे ऐसे आगे 22 लिया. अब a क्यूब is also 8. a square, जब when a is equal to b, so this is also a cube, this is also a cube, this is also a cube, and this is also a cube. So what we said, put 8 on every point. Things will not change. You can get every answer from this formula itself. But फिर क्लास में इंटरेस्ट कहां से आएगा? What we are looking forward for. And they should have that ability to think. Or simple question 22 आया, why should I take the formula to write? Simple, 8 का क्यूब निकाला, चारों जगह लिख दो. Got it? Yes, is it clear, Priyanka, now?
Yes, sir.
Okay, then solve one question. 45 cube. 45 cube.
Nine one one two five.
कोई डाउट?
No, sir.
तो शोएब, अब कुछ हेल्प होगी इससे क्लासेस में?
बहुत होगी सर.
अभी तो शुरुआत है, ये सोचो. तो पॉइंट इज ओनली नॉलेज को हमें एक्सेप्ट करना. कोई भी नॉलेज है, हमें ये नहीं समझना कि इट इज बिकॉज बच्चे को व्हाई अ चाइल्ड विल कम टू यू इफ यू कैन सॉल्व देयर क्वेरीज. इफ यू आर नॉट एबल टू सॉल्व देयर क्वेरीज, कोई भी नहीं आएगा ना. तो तभी आता है क्योंकि उनकी क्वेरीज सॉल्व नहीं हो रही. So we need to understand that point. Clear?
Correct.
सर
Yes.
एक बेसिक क्वेश्चन पूछ सकती हूँ क्या?
बिल्कुल बेसिक पूछिए मैम.
मुझे वो एडिशन है ना, वो मीन बैलेंसिंग व्हेन देयर आर 3 numbers, आई एम लिटिल कंफ्यूज्ड. कैन यू प्लीज लेट मी नो इन द सेम एग्जांपल?
Okay.
45 स्क्वायर लीजिए प्लीज.
चलो 45 क्यूब है मैम.
45 क्यूब, सॉरी.
चलिए बताइए, फर्स्ट a क्यूब कितना होगा?
64.
a स्क्वायर b कितना?
80.
80. b स्क्वायर a
100.
and b cube
125.
perfect.
Yeah.
This is up till here you are correct. Then 160 and 200.
160, 200.
So 125, 300,
300, 240,
240 and 64. Up till here you are clear. No problem. क्या करना है? सिर्फ 5 लिखा, 12 को यहाँ ऐड किया, कितना बन गया ये?
अच्छा, 42. Oh, sorry, 12 का 312. हाँ, correct.
तो 2 को यहाँ लिखा, 31 आगे चला गया, वो कितना बना? 271.
1 लिखा, 27 आगे चला गया.
27 आगे गया तो कितना बना?
91. Oh, great.
91125.
Thank you, sir.
शुरू में
No,
ये
please.
ऐसे पेपर पे कर लो, उसके बाद मेंटली स्ट्रांग हो जाओगे.
Thank you, sir.
Got it?
Yes.
So calculation wise, I think I have covered whatever was planned. Any question you have, you can ask me. Any question now, or then otherwise we can discuss what after this. इसके बाद अगर करता है कोई तो what you will be learning, what all topics I'll be covering in entire syllabus, so that can be discussed. But for up till here, you finish what was given in the for the workshop. Any questions you have? Anyone? Yes. कोई क्वेश्चन नहीं?
नहीं सर, अब
दो
just
रीजन में होता है,
that's
या तो टोटली ब्लैंक हो गए और या सब कुछ समझ आ गया, तो सब कुछ वाला तो सिचुएशन नहीं लग रही.
नहीं, you have made it very clear.
No, it's okay. So all those who want to understand what exactly we cover in teacher's training manual, because see, 2 days are not sufficient for becoming a trainer. But this is fact. What topics we covered yesterday only, start taking those topics and you'll be able to discuss or talk to class 3rd, 4th, 5th. And tables, so you can talk with it. Because what we did yesterday, that is to make you understand, to make everyone understand that these things can be done this way also. Because till now we used to believe, because I've given more than 70 seminars in Nepal and hundreds of seminars live I'm talking about in India. If you talk to the teachers, can we do from right? Why don't we do maths the reverse way? So they have the answer, because unit place, tens place, 100 place. No. Did you try? No. When you have not tried anything, how can you speak on that? So my point is very simple. Knowledge has no limits. And today we are in a world when everything is available with us. एक competition और आने वाला आप सबके लिए. After AI, artificial intelligence, people are going to get jobless. And they all would be turning to the teachers only, because teacher cannot be replaced. You can replace anyone, but yes, there would be a volume increase. And this I have observed when I was in Bangalore also. Females, they used to leave their MNCs and they used to come and join in preschool. So ultimately they wanted to start from preschool and then schooling and then college level. So everybody wants to become a teacher, trainer. So you, in order, if you want your position to be safe enough, if you want that, yes, my position should not. Shoaib, it's not. See, आप अपने angle से लीजिए. When you were a student, even you were not taught something. But instead of finding that कि you face the problems, आप भी उसी धर्रे पे चल रहे हैं ना कि बच्चा समझ नहीं रहा. He's अपने दिमाग से ये निकाल दीजिए कि बच्चा नहीं समझ रहा आपको, आप बहुत बड़ी गलत फहमी में जी रहे हैं। क्योंकि वही बच्चा, मैंने आपको कल भी आंसर दिया था, द चाइल्ड whom you say is duffer or is not intelligent or is not able to understand, the same child remembers 40 movies frame by frame, same child remembers lyrics of 60 movies. So why not your education? Because you are not able to convince him. There are people who take time to adjust, who take time to understand. So why not to become that teacher that can explain everything? पेशेंस भी चाहिए, बट पेशेंस से ज्यादा इनोवेशन चाहिए आपको अपनी एजुकेशन में। डिलीवरी पार्ट, अगेन आई एम सेइंग, कंटेंट तो हर जगह से मिल जाता है। लाइक कहाँ गए मैम? शी टोल्ड दैट ये मैंने किया हुआ है ये टेबल, यस दैट टेबल एवरीबडी हैज डन स्केयरिंग, बट डिड वी अप्लाई दैट फॉर हायर नंबर्स? नो। So that we need to understand. So when I have, yes, I'm author, written books on this, so I know the deep insights of the Vedic mathematics, how you have to teach, what you have to start with. Now the first lesson, first lecture, whenever you take for a student, he's not coming on his own. बिल्कुल अपने दिमाग में ये बात फिट कर लीजिए कि वो अपने आप नहीं आया, उसकी माँ या बाप ने धक्का दे के आपके पास बिठाया है। तो वो क्लास में या तो बिल्कुल मम रहेगा, चुप रहेगा, या शरारते करेगा। एक वीडियो चेक करना, 85 स्टूडेंट्स थे मेरे एक क्लास में, दिस वर स्क्रिबलिंग, मेरी स्क्रीन पे ही लिख देते थे, शाउटिंग, सो मेनी थिंग्स दे वर डूइंग। एक ने बोला, सर व्हाई डोंट यू अवॉइड दिस, आप उसको म्यूट कर दो या आप उसको वो बंद कर दीजिए, व्हाई यू हैव गिवन परमिशंस। में कितनी देर लिखेंगे? सी लेट द थिंग्स कम आउट ऑफ देम, once that is out they will understand. And the same thing happened the second day. I was a bit late, 10 minutes. My coordinator, she asked, okay, we'll take 10 minutes to start. So what you learned today? They said the same game जो कल हमने वो किया था, what we learned about tables. So see, the word game excited them, so let it be. हमारा purpose solve हो गया, we taught them tables, their purpose solved, that they learned a game, that's all. So make your class that interesting, right? So in Vedic maths, I train the trainers. I don't want you to become a learner. Learner तो आप बन जाएंगे, YouTube खोल के बैठ जाइए, you will all become a learner. So my motive is to make you trainer. अभी तो आप लोगों ने cameras off कर दिए, class में this is not allowed. You have to answer every question because only 6 people I'll be taking at one batch, not 20, not 10, not 11, 6 and 1 or 2 old batch students if they join in some classes. So 6 means you have to answer to every question. You have to ask every question. Then only you can become a trainer. Otherwise, 3 महीने में ना तो कोई जादू होगा, आप ट्रेनर नहीं बनेंगे। प्रियंका, are you getting this point? So that my books are written in a stepwise. First step, it deals with basic things, then addition, subtractions. Second, third, multiplication, totally multiplications. So multiplication, we can do verbal, and even 6-digit, 5-digit, 9-digit, that you can do it. Then this scaring, cubing, that is 4th step. So I have given you the details. I won't discuss over here. Whoever would be interested, you can send me a personal message. I'll share you the books. Everything can be shared. But first thing is do today's homework. Homework करेंगे तभी, and जिसने फॉर्म नहीं भरा था, you should fill the form because certificate तभी मिलेगा. Online ही certificate issue हो जाएगा. So I'll share the certificate also. And you'll get it. So 6 books are there in teachers training manual. Generally, I take 3 months. I give training 3 days a week. So it could be Monday, Wednesday, Friday, or Tuesday, Thursday, and Saturday. 3 days to 2 hours each. Generally, batches are 9 to 11 p.m. एक बैच अभी स्टार्ट हो रहा है evening 7 to 9 also.
Cost, sir?
15,000 for 3 months. Right. But you learn a lot in that. So it is a trainer course, not only learners. It is a trainer course, right? So that you, and we'll make sure that you start training in between only, right from the first day. Even आज के बाद भी अगर आप कहीं पे आपको लगता है I have to teach this student, you can always ask, sir, what to teach the first student, what to teach second, on wherever you find difficulty, because this workshop itself is up till some level you can start teaching, and then once you get more admissions, once you start getting more queries, you can learn completely, right? But knowledge you have to gain. So any queries, any questions you have, please, you're most welcome now. Yes, Miss Nabin, Yogesh, Yam, I think आज fast थे हम, slow नहीं थे आज. Yes, Priyanka.
So please check why I have not got the yesterday's homework.
उस चीज को क्या अभी भेज देते हैं हम?
Yes, later on you can please check it. And I want the recording also, because after 4:30 I left the class due to my.
Recording भी नहीं मिली आपको?
No, sir, I haven't got.
एक मिनट दे देते हैं, अभी रुकिए. वो टेक्निकली क्या हो सकता है पता नहीं, बट अच्छा चल, और कोई क्वेश्चन है आपका? ये तो अभी
No, rest is all good, sir. Thank you so much.
चलो, ये मैं भेज रहा हूँ मैम. I'll share it right away. जी
98 का क्यों 799 772 होता है क्या?
चेक करो.
नहीं, मेरा वही निकला है.
बस आप गलत तो कैसे हो सकते हो? Why do you think you are wrong? Huh? Why do you think you are wrong? एक और कंसेप्ट होता है. See, why these students now understand? इस बच्चे ने ये क्वेश्चन क्यों पूछा कि आंसर क्या है? Yes, Priyanka, how do you teach them?
So sir, I have a solving some other question. 98 का cube.
वो छोड़ दीजिए मैम. मैं ये जो पूछा कि बच्चों का छोटे बच्चे ये छोटे छोटे क्वेश्चंस ही गलत करते हैं, तो कैसे उनको सिखा दो?
हम खुद करना है. Maybe we have to do it again with them.
सर उनको पहले से दोबारा वही देना पड़ता है ना, कि आपने एक बार और चेक करो कि जो मैंने बताया है आपको वही आपने सही किया या नहीं.
आंसर दिस. आप क्या बोलते हैं उनके? यू से प्लीज चेक योर आंसर्स, करेक्ट? या रीचेक. आप ये क्यों नहीं बोलते कि रिपीट द आंसर? चेक तो करना बताया ही नहीं आपने.
यस सर.
द प्रॉब्लम इज, मैंने कल भी एग्जांपल्स दिए, यू टीच डिफरेंटली, यू टीच समथिंग एल्स. हमारी आदत है, हम हर बच्चे को बोलते हैं प्लीज चेक योर आंसर, प्लीज रीचेक योर आंसर्स, एंड वी हैव नेवर टॉट हाउ टू चेक द आंसर्स. कल मैंने क्वेश्चन पूछा था, इफ यू रिमेंबर, 12 plus 18 30. Nobody was able to answer how to check it. The problem with us is we say something, मतलब कुछ होता है, करना कुछ चाहते हैं. बच्चे में कॉन्फिडेंस आएगा कहां से? वो हर क्वेश्चन का आंसर कैलकुलेटर पे देखता है या आंसर की से चेक करता है. सो वेयर विल दैट कॉन्फिडेंस कम? अगर बच्चा आपको ये बोलता है कि यस, this is the answer and I am correct, this is the confidence. So my students never say, is this the answer? They say, sir, this is the answer and I am correct. So that confidence comes with a very simple concept called digit sum. तो बच्चों को सेकंड लेसन, फर्स्ट लेसन तो जो उनका आपने डर भगा दिया, उसके बाद सबसे पहला सिखाना है डिजिट सम. डिजिट सम इज हाउ टू वेरीफाई योर आंसर्स. क्योंकि जब बच्चा अपने आंसर्स को चेक करके खुद ही ये जज कर लेगा कि यस आई एम करेक्ट, उससे बड़ा कॉन्फिडेंस लाइफ में कुछ नहीं होगा. जस्ट थिंक अबाउट इट. अगर आप कोई काम कर रहे हैं, यू नो दिस इज करेक्ट, then what would be the confidence? And if you are doing some work and you know it may be wrong, tab kya halat hote hain? So this is the reason. और ये digit sum का concept Vedic maths का first topic है. It is not in your mathematics. हाँ, numerology हम सारे करते हैं. Every person of us before marriage, before doing anything important, we go for numerologist. पर ये नहीं पता कि वो numerology I digit sum से है. The base behind that numerology is just digit sum. और digit sum क्या होता है? Digits का sum. That's all. सिर्फ इतने से check हो जाता है. Got it? So please, step-wise चलिए. Yes, Akhila.
So in your 3 months course, you would be teaching about in what classes, how do we go about what would a grade 3 to 1 to 3 would do, 4, 5, 6, what has to be done? Are there any levels, level 1, level 2?
See, I have not written books on levels, but yes, one thing is I give teachers training books, 6 books. Second, we have implemented in your Bangalore itself in BG National School, that is from 3rd class. So books for 3rd, 4th, 5th, 6th, they are separate.
Okay.
They are already there. See, as per syllabuses, we have already designed the curriculum, but not as exactly like for 3rd class, 4th class, 5th class, it would be same because they all have same level. You cannot be specific ki third, because when you are implementing it, see, there is 2 different things. If you're teaching it privately, means as a tuition or as an institution, public, then you will teach the course within 3 to 4 months maximum. But if you are implementing in a school, then only one book can be implemented throughout the year. Why? Because they are allotting you less time. Allocation of time is a point. Second thing, number of students are a problem. See, in a class, you'll have 40 students. So even if you are solving one question, you have to check with everyone. So that means 13 to 14 minutes will take for one question. But if you are at an institution, you are handling only 3 to 4 students. So that would go fast. So these
So
things
have you also taught the, what do you say, the CET people who attend CET and all those exams?
Yes, definitely.
The calculation has to be very fast. The competitive exams I'm talking about.
That is all this syllabus only. But now it depends what specific batches you are taking. See, without batch, nobody can work out also, na?
No, correct. No, have you handled the competitive exams, the students going for competitive exams?
All my students are there in that only. But I provide them complete, not specific. Okay, I'll give you only, because for that it is only required is not more than 10, 12 days.
No, you'll have to give everything if it's of no use.
Yes. Second thing, today you are thinking about competitive, student will not come to you only for competitive. Why? I'll tell you why. Because that student will have interest. I should get English also from the same institute, the other subject also. And you are dealing with only, it is only when you associate with some competitive academy, then you can only work on that. And my sphere is entirely different. I train the trainers first. Right. But yes, if somebody asks, yes. So now, just now after this, I have a class of US students. So I am giving one-on-one classes to them. So that is, again, that's a different module.
So to me, the trainer would definitely have a better perspective.
Yes. Right. So I think no further questions, or anyone has any question now? Shoaib, Sumit, yeah.
Thank you, sir. Thank you very much.
Yes, Priyanka.
Thank you, sir. Thank you very much.
Priyanka, I have shared you everything of yesterday's. Today also I'll see to it. It goes now.
Yeah. Actually, शायद recording has been come.
सारी आ गई, 4 files गई है मैम आपके पास.
Sir, I have to check now. On the screen only one file is showing. Okay, sir.
कोई doubt और हो तो चलिए, ठीक है. So anyone has any questions, you can connect to me on my WhatsApp. Will be there, right?
Thank you, sir.
Okay.
Thank
bye-bye.
you.
Okay. Thank you.